Nandito kami ngayon upang saksiyan ang grabe training at first anniversary ng Dream Makers Worldwide.
Manood po kayo. Marami pong magaganap dito sa event na to. Napakaganda, napakasaya. Maraming matututunan, maraming mamotivate, at marami pang aasenso sa mga susunod na panahon.
Ako po ay naging diamond sa loob lamang po ng 4 months, no? Sa lahat po ng mga nandito, nakikita niyo po, we have 1,100 participants po na papasok po sa ngayon.
Ito po yung first anniversary.
Live good. Sali na kayo. Umaasa kami na anuman yung magiging training namin dito, makakatulong talaga sa aming pag-angat. See you at the top, mga Live Good members.
So many prizes, raffles, and then pinakamahalaga is yung program ni Coach Fernan. Within 6 months, pwede ka mag-diamond rank.
Magkapatid kami dito, partner kami sa Live Good. At ina-expect namin ang maraming surprises ng BMW, especially si Coach Fernan at ang Live Good Community International.
Training po ngayong araw na to, marami pong magbe-benefit, lalo na sa mga 1 million subscribers po.
Yes, mag-live good na po kayo. Andito na po yung sagot sa ating mga pangangailangan at pangarap.
Grabe naman po, tingnan nyo naman. And di ko in-expect kami kasi ako, na-overwhelmed din ako sa sobrang saya.
Ina-expect po namin na marami po kaming learnings dito at after po ng training, I will go for Diamond! Diamond!
We are so glad that this is our first step to become a millionaire and become a diamond in this Live Good company.
To train ourselves, to improve ourselves, para dumami tayo kasi ang Live Good is the best business as of today. At ito talaga ang maraming matutulungan natin. We can help more people here in Live Good.
Ito pong araw na to, we celebrated this for a power sizzle. And the main goal, Coach Ferds, is ano nga? Para tayo ay lahat matuto, mag-aral, para maging
Diamond! Grabe, swerte, oh!
Correct.
Kami nung nag-join, nangangapa kami. Bakit? Walang nag-guide sa amin. Pero inaral namin.
Correct.
The good thing, yung mga bago, meron na kayong susundan.
Warriors International! Yes! 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 Woo! Go! 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 Team Diamond! Ibigay! Sumigaw!
Elite Diamond!
You can start your goal today. Sama-sama po tayo. I am not exempted. All of you, lahat po ng mga leaders, hindi po exempted. Gagawin po natin our first 90 days in Live Good. We must appreciate those people, lalong-lalo na yung mga nag-e-effort para lang po maturuan po tayo.
Ako po, nakikipag-usap po ako sa tao. Nandun lang po ako sa kwarto ko. Lahat po ng nandun sa akin punbok, inisa-isa ko po yan. Inisa-isa ko pa. Nung naandito na po ako sa Live Good, ang sabi ko po, ito na. Dahil sa totoo lang po, ako po, hindi pa naman po kalakihan ng kinikita ko. Pero hindi ko po tinitigilan yan kasi po, hindi po ako nakatingin sa ngayon. Ang tinitingnan ko po, yung bukas na darating sa buhay ko.
Meron po kaming munting handog sa inyo. Yan, grabe. Parang gusto ko umiyak.
Ako nga pala yung yung panganay sa aming magkakapatid. So 4 po kami, ako po yung panganay. So ako lang po yung inaasahan sa pamilya namin, especially ng mga magulang ko na talagang makaahon kami sa hirap. Medyo nawala na kami ng pag-asa, pero thank God, dumating po si Live Good.
Ayun, naintindihan ko siya at nakita ko naman maraming nabago yung buhay, unti-unting binabago yung buhay. So, ayun, in just 6 months and 22 days, naging diamond rank po tayo dito sa Live Good.
Former police officer po ako. Minalas, nagkaroon ng harassment case. Nakulong. Na-invite at nag-diamond po dito sa Live Good.
Wow!
I am forever grateful with Live Good. Bakit? Kay Live Good na po kinuha yung pang-bail ko po, pambayad sa mga lawyer ko.
Ginagawa ko po si Live Good. Ang style po kasi ng mga OFW, ang paalam lang lagi namin sa amo namin is magsi-CR. Pero ang totoo, may nilalatagan kami sa CR.
Yun, may lalatagan sa
Diba?
CR.
No, ako unang-una networking ko, galit na galit asawa ko, pero nung nag-pay out ako 45,000, sabi niya, magre-resign ako. Hindi pwede. Pag nag-resign kayo, walay tayo, uwi ako ng Mindanao. Eh, nata ko guys, paglabas ng cheque ng aking commission, sabi ko sa asawa ko, magre-resign na ako. O sabi niya, ikaw. Maraming salamat!
After this day, bilip po natin mabago. Ako, sabi ko nga kanina, may mapulot lang kayo. 1, 2, 3 philosophy. Iuwi nyo, baunin nyo. I-apply nyo sa negosyo nyo. I tell you, 2 to 3 years from now, we are all millionaires.
Pag-asa na mabago ang buhay mo, kaya ka sumali kay Live Good. Tapos, nung nahirapan ka ng konti, magkukwit ka. Pag nahihirapan ka, isipin mo lagi kung bakit ka nagsimula. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. Paano ba na-perform yung belief? It depends on the thoughts that you feed into your minds, because thoughts becomes your feelings becomes your action, and your action will determine your results. Your action will define your destiny. If you want to become successful, it is very, very important that you have to stay positive at all times. Even if you are surrounded with negative people, you have to remind yourself that you have to stay positive.
Kung sila nag-39 to 40 million naman, ang ilalim niyan may kumikita 30 million naman, 25 million naman, 20 million naman, 15 million naman, 10 million naman. Kaya in 3 to 5 years from now, ordinary income ng taga-Live Good will be 500,000 to 1 million a month.
He is a professional network marketer with the second crown diamond in the world. No other than the founder of Dream Makers Worldwide. My upline, our upline, no other than Coach Fernand Santiago.
Only in your eyes! Only in your eyes! Huwag na huwag mong susuwagin ang apply ng Philippines. Tandaan niyo yung paalala ko. Huwag lulutang ang paa. Pero mamaya bago mag-uwian, sisiguraduhin ko nakalutang lahat ang paa nyo. Kasi gusto nyo lang umuwi para humata. Diba? Kasi huwag kang papayag na hindi pa kampok, hindi pa na hindi ka diamond. Kaya natin to. Sabihin natin, kaya natin to. Lakas mo, sabihin nyo, kaya natin to.
Paano nga ba na ang ating kapwa Filipino ay nagbago ang buhay sa maikling panahon dahil sa opportunity na ito? Mga taong nakabili ng sasakyan, nakabayad ng utang, nakatulong sa pamilya at unti-unting nagbabago ang buhay at nakakabangon na sa epekto ng pandemya. Sila ang mga taong inspirasyon para sa marami at nagpursige na alamin ang isang negosyo na nagpabago ng kanilang buhay nang wala pang isang taon. Kung kaya nila, ay kaya din natin. Iisa lang ang sikreto ng tagumpay sa buhay. Dapat nating aralin kung anuman ang ginawa nila. Kung gusto mo ring makuha ang pangarap mo tulad namin, panoorin mo lang ang link sa video na ito at mag-sign up sa referral link. Dito, tutulungan ka naming makuha ang inaasam mo sa buhay basta willing kang matuto at mag-attend ng aming online trainings. Tara na, mag-umpisa na tayo at magtagumpay para sa masayang buhay.
Hello guys, good morning. Coach Jury here and grabe, ayan na, lumabas na ang 5 months nating tinrabaho, no? With right system, right program, at the same time, training, and pagbibigay ng tamang information about the business, about Live Good. Kaya kung ikaw ngayon, nagdududa pa kay Live Good, eto na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Okay? Huwag mong antayin yung upline mo, huwag mong antayin yung coach mo, huwag mong antayin yung mga taong nasa paligid mo na bibigyan ka ng wisdom. Ikaw ang magtatrabaho sa success mo, ikaw ang sasakay sa sasakyan mo. Kaya eto na ngayon, nailabas na namin. Ito yung tunay na patunay na ang system na ginawa namin talagang nagwo-work, talagang gumagana, talaga kung tatrabahuhin mo, talagang magkaka-result ka. Imaginein mo, dating security guard, taga Leyte, hindi tapos ng pag-aaral, pero ngayon nakuha niya ang kanyang first car. Ano ba ang mayroon kay Live Good? Yun ang kailangan niyong alamin.
Ano nga ba si Live Good? Si Live Good is isang dropshipping, affiliate marketing and direct selling company na katulad ng Herbalife, Usana at Avon na nasa health and wellness industry. Nagsimula ito noong December 2022 sa Florida, United States of America, ay mayroon ng 1,030,000 plus members sa buong mundo. Sa mga susunod na taon ay plano nilang magdagdag ng maraming produkto from home care products, baby care, gadgets and appliances, travel and hotel booking portals, at maraming iba pa na parang Amazon. Kung member ka ni Live Good ay ma-enjoy mo ang up to 75% savings sa aming mga produkto at pwede ka rin kumita bilang affiliate ng up to 50% income sa lahat ng aming products. Ito rin ay dropshipping, ibig sabihin, hindi mo kailangang magtambak or bumili ng products sa mga product centers dahil mula sa USA, si Live Good ang bahala sa products, packaging, payment processing at delivery door-to-door in 200 plus countries. Papasok na lang ang kita mo. I-promote mo lang ang sarili mong website na parang Lazada or Shopee na makukuha mo din kapag nag-affiliate ka kay Live Good. Weekly and monthly and dollar income na up to $500 to $1,000, depende sa sipag mo at hindi mo na kailangang lumabas pa ng bansa para kumita ng dolyar. Meron din itong isang sistema na tinatawag na Matrix Bonus na pwede kang kumita ng 100,000 pesos monthly na parang retirement benefit mo. Gusto mong matutunan? Panoorin mo lang ang video sa bit.ly/viralbusinessonline. Mag-sign up ka muna ng libre sa bit.ly/livegoodwealth or referral link na makikita mo sa video na ito. Ito ay isang proven and tested business model na maraming tao na ang nagbago ang buhay at natupad na ang kanilang pangarap sa loob lamang ng isang taon. Kaya, tutulungan ka naming kumita at buhayin ang pangarap mo sa online negosyo na ito kasama ang aming buong team. Salamat!
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Warehouse where we keep all the stuff that doesn't fit in the packing warehouse, and then we run out over there, move it over here, so everything is dated, first in, first out. But yeah, this place is packed with product. Brand new pre-workout E3. That's our creatine powder. A couple pallets of Super Red. This is protein. We know how much you've been wanting it, and we've been moving a lot.
We spent a lot of money to invest to make sure that we did not run out of stock.
But yeah, dude, look at this. Just look at this.
3, 2.
We have a ton of stuff. We got a lot of inventory.
It's gonna bless a lot of people.
Yeah. Lots of inventory ready to ship to you guys.
Live Good is the company that I'm going to present to you right now.
It is the most exciting company in the industry today. All right? And you will learn later. Just stay tuned. Makinig kayo maigi. Open your mind, open your heart. Tsaka talagang this is for you. This presentation is for you. The reason you are here listening right now kasi meron kang magandang message na marireceive ngayon. Okay? So before I start, I would like to share a video that was made by our CEO explaining an overview of what to expect from our company and how different it is dun sa ibang companies na meron sa market right now. Okay? So just stay tuned and watch.
Siya si Ben Glinsky, ang nagtatag at CEO ng Live Good. Sa nakalipas na 20 taon, inilunsad at pinatako namin ang ilan sa mga pinakamatagumpay na mga produkto at kumpanya sa buong network marketing industry. Nakatulong kami sa daan-daang libong tao sa buong mundo ay nakakakuha ng karagdagang kita mula sa bahay, binayaran ng halos $1 bilyong sa mga komisyon at na-feature sa buong internet at mga magazines, mga pahayagan kahit sa sea. Madalas magtanong ang mga tao, paano naging matagumpay ang ating mga kumpanya habang libu-libong iba pa ang nabigo at nagsara? Ang sagot ay simple lang, timing. Pagkilala sa mga uso sa industriya ng network marketing, uso sa lipunan dahil sa pandemya, uso sa bumabagsak na ekonomiya na may inflation na mas mataas kaysa dati. Tumaas ang presyo ng gas, nagiging sanhi ng pagtaas ng mga singil sa utilities, tumataas ang bayad sa mortgage at upa, nagiging mas mahal ang paglalakbay kaya ang mga tao ay naghahanap ng mga paraan upang makatipid sila ng pera nang hindi nakokompormiso ang kalidad. Dahil dito, ang industriya ng network marketing ay nasa isang pangunahing sangandaan, ang mga produkto ay naging sobrang mahal para lang makapagbayad ng malalaking mga kumpanya, mga komisyon at mga bayad sa compensation. Ngunit sa mga gawi sa pagbili ng tao na nagtitrend, mula sa mas mataas na presyo ng mga produkto sa paghahanap ng mas mahusay na halaga na hindi nakahanay sa mahal na produkto, kung saan pupunta ang industriya ng network marketing. Sa katunayan, kung titingnan mo ang ilan sa mga pinakamalaking kumpanya sa industriya ng direct selling at network marketing, tulad ng Herbalife, Usana at Nuskin, ang kanilang mga kita ay bumaba ng hanggang 20% mula noong nakaraang mga taon lang, kumpara sa kumpanya tulad ng Walmart at Costco. Ang mga kita ay tumaas ng 9% at 12%. Sabi nga ng aming direktor ng network marketing Nauder Kasan, ang mga araw ng pagbibenta ng sobrang mahal ng mga produkto na ilan lang ang kumikita sa kumpanya na nasa taas at nagpapayaman ay tapos na. Dahilan upang gawin namin ang Live Good, nakikipagtulungan sa mga kamanghamanghang eksperto sa kalusugan at health and wellness, Ryan at Lisa Goodkin. Gumawa kami ng linya na may pinakamataas na kalidad, mga nutritional supplement sa planeta na kailangan ng mga tao, at ginagawa naming available ang mga ito sa halagang 75% na mas mababa kaysa sa presyo ng ibang kumpanya na mataas ang presyo pero mababang kalidad. Tingnan mo na lang ang Organic Super Reds, halimbawa, marahil ang pinakamahusay na produkto ng kalusugan na para sa puso, na nilikha sa market, mas mataas na kalidad, na may mas maraming antioxidant na nakapak na sangkap kaysa sa kahit na pinakamahusay na nagbibenta mga hindi organikong super beets at para sa mas mababa sa kalahati ng presyo. Katulad ng langis ng CBD, ibang kumpanya ay nagbebenta ng 500 mg CBD oil para sa hanggang $80. Ang amin ay ang pinakamataas na kalidad ng CBD na magagamit kahit saan at may 750 mg CBD. Ito ay 50% na mas malakas sa halagang $18 lang. Hindi lang iyon, bawat isa sa aming pinakamataas na kalidad ng mga produkto may kasamang buong 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. Kung hindi mo ganap na nagustuhan alinman sa mga Live Good products na in-order mo, ibalik lang ang empty bottle at bibigyan ka namin ng buong refund ng walang tanong-tanong. So, ano ang ibig sabihin ng lahat ng ito para sa iyo? Sa pagkakaroon ng mga produkto na halos ibenta ang sarili sa isang kumpanya na perpekto na nakahanay sa paglilipat ng mga tao sa pagbili sa pamilihan, ibinibigay namin sa iyo ang lahat ng mga tools, mga website ng systems, pagsasanay sa mga video trainings at lahat ng kailangan mo para matulungan kang kumita ng extra income online, mas madali ang kita at mas mabilis kaysa sa ibang kumpanya sa industriya. Katulad nitong video na pinapanood mo ngayon ay bahagi ng pinaka-powerful system sa industriya. Powerline na sistema ng marketing na nagpapahintulot sa iyo na mag-register ng libre sa pansamantalang posisyon sa aming kumpanya bago ka pa man magdesisyon na magsimula. Ang ibig sabihin, kapag inilagay mo ang iyong pangalan at email sa pahinang ito, reserba ka namin agad ng posisyon at ipakita sa iyo ang lahat na gumagawa ng pareho pagkatapos mo sa pamamagitan ng paglalagay sa kanila sa ilalim mo sa linya ng Powerline system. Ngayon, tuwing Huwebes, gabi ay ang cut-off araw upang i-lock sa iyong posisyon or mismong mag-pay-in. Lahat ng nag-pay-in sa kanilang posisyon sa pamamagitan ng pagiging miyembro ng LiveGood para lamang sa NIN. Niniti $5 sa isang buwan plus isang beses na $40 na bayad sa pag-sign up para maging affiliate ay pupunta sa tuktok o kaya mauna sa Powerline pagkatapos ng iba pang naghihintay. Ang mga taong nagbayad ay inilalagay sa aming mabilis na pupunoang 2 Duo 14 Force Matrix bago ang lahat ng mga tao sa ibaba nila sa linya ng Powerline system. Kaya ang bawat tao ay posisyon sa matrix sa pinakamataas na bayad na ay susundan ng taong kung sino man ang sunod na nagbayad din sa kanila. Sa pamamagitan ng pagiging miyembro ng LiveGood, makakatipid ka ng hanggang 75% mula sa pinakamataas na kalidad ng nutritional supplement sa buong mundo para mapanatiling malusog ka at ang iyong pamilya. At kung sakaling mailagay mo ang ilang tao sa ilalim mo sa matrix at kumikita ka ng ilang dagdag na $100 sa isang buwan, sa ibabaw niyan, mas mabuti para sa iyo. At ang paraan ng ating ng pagkita sa ating compensation plan, may potensyal kang kumita ng mahigit $2,000 sa isang buwan sa matrix nang hindi kinakailangang mag-enroll ng isang tao. At kung pipiliin mong ibahagi ang LiveGood mga produkto at opportunity sa iba, maaari kang kumita ng mas malaki pa sa inaakala mo. Sa katunayan, sa aming matching bonus sa pamamagitan lamang ng pagpapasali ng isang tao at dodoble na ang potential income mo. Milyong tao na ang sumali at sasali pa sa mga susunod na taon, ang tanging lugar na maaari nilang puntahan sa Matrix ay nasa ilalim ng mga taong nakasali na kay LiveGood. Kaya kung mas maaga kang sasali ngayon sa LiveGood, mas may chance ka na mapalagay sa taas ng Matrix. Kaya mag-register ka na sa referral link at hindi magtatagal para makita mo kung bakit ang LiveGood ang pinaka-exciting na kumpanya sa industriya ngayon. Kaya see you sa ating successful journey.
So yes, see you at the top. Yan, narinig nyo, that's from our CEO mismo. Talagang we are revolutionizing the industry right now. Kaya that's the reason why LiveGood is the most exciting company in the industry. Okay, let me just give you some background. LiveGood was launched globally in December 13, 2022 with its business of wholesale club membership. Wholesale club membership yung pinaka-business model natin, okay? So, batang-bata pa si LiveGood. Imagine, December lang nagsimula. It's only June, so roughly about 6 months, a little over 6 months pa lang tayo. Pero look at the growth. Ang ganda ng growth ng LiveGood. We started in December with only 2,000 members. In fact, dito sa Philippines, when we started in January 18, nasa 5,000 members pa lang yung globally. And here in the Philippines, we started with 4 people. And then fast forward, noong April, we announced that we already have 250,000 members. In fact, nung katatapos na May lang, we have just announced that we are already at 420,000 members. Ganon kabilis yung growth natin. Tapos yung pinaka-prediction natin by December 2023, we will have over 1 million members. In fact, yung prediction na yan, that's very conservative. Kayang-kaya natin lagpasan yan at kayang-kaya natin maabot yung 1 million mark na yan even before December comes. Talagang pinagkakaguluhan ang LiveGood ngayon. And here are 6 reasons bakit. Number 1, narinig nyo, yung products natin are of amazing quality. Talagang maganda yung products natin, life-changing siya. It's good for our health, it's good for our body. Yet, look, the second reason is incredible prices. Napakababa niya. Kasi yun yung kinakatakot ngayon eh. That's the reason why our health is taken for granted kasi mahal maging healthy. Yun yung akala nila dati. But now, we're going to change that with so many best product available there para sa health natin pero at a very low price. Okay? Kaya ngayon, kayang-kaya na natin maging healthy. And here, wala na yung auto-shipping na yan. Alam mo yun, yung tipong accumulation of points monthly. para lang makuha yung commission mo, tinanggal na natin dito yan. Kaya wala na ring monthly products to buy. You don't really need to buy products that you don't even use. Dito, bibili ka ng produkto kasi gusto mo. Kasi gusto mo yung quality, kasi you benefit from it. Okay? In fact, kami, nakadalawang padala na kami ng products dito. And the whole family is enjoying every product that we have been using since then. Okay? And sa ganda ng produkto, hindi natatakot yung company, hindi natakot ang Live Good to give a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Walang company nakakapagbigay niyan. Yung ibang company, 30 days lang, pero kung ano lang yung hindi mo na-consume, yun lang yung ima-money back. Dito, magpadala ka ng empty bottles, no question asked, sabihin mo lang, hindi mo nagustuhan yung product, they'll give you your money back. Okay? Pero malamang hindi ka na rin maka-order ulit. That's the reason why we are the #1 business to join. And everybody is seeing it. Ang dami nang nakakita. 420,000 people realized this, kaya talagang they started joining the business. Why? It's because of Live Good opportunity. Unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced product, but about saving people money on health products. Talagang pinababa natin yung mga health products natin. By the way, we're just starting with health products. Marami pa tayong products na padating. The reason we started with health products kasi yun yung essential ngayon. After naranasan natin because of the pandemic, ayan, naging aware na tayo that we need to be healthy. Okay, and because of that, talagang yung mga health products napaka-in demand. And that's the reason why we're starting with it. So if you have a passion for health and wellness, if you have a passion for helping people, and if you're not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then Live Good is for you. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Hindi po kami nangangako na mag-join lang kayo, bukas mayaman na kayo. Of course, meron tayong gagawin dito. But if you do the business right, this is a get-rich-sure business. Okay? Live Good is a club membership. Sabi nga natin, we're not product centered. Hindi tayo nagse-center sa product, but we are a buyer's membership club model. Yun yung model natin. Club membership that pays. Maraming club membership dyan, pero sa ibang club membership, tayo yung bayad ng bayad. This time, Live Good is giving us a chance to earn by being a member of Live Good. You can earn money as a club member of Live Good whether or not you refer other members to the program. Pero ang tanong, but if you do decide to share the business, you'll earn even more. So why keep it to yourself? Share it to as many people as you can. Okay, so let me now proceed with our presentation. Again, the company name is Live Good. This presentation, by the way, is courtesy of our coach in the US, Jesse Garcia, a Diamond member already. Live Good is actually a US-based direct sales company focused on wellness and digital industry. Nasabi ko na kanina, wellness has been the focus of many people, kaya naging essential na siya. Kinombine pa yung digital service industry. Napansin nyo ba, everybody is online right now. So imagine, two of the biggest industries kinombine into a single company, into a single program. Kaya talagang napakaganda ng Live Good. It's the best business to join right now. Again, we are based in Florida, USA. And our mission is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Kasi nga, sinabi ko kanina, yung iba natatakot na magpaka-healthy kasi mahal. Pero this time, you can actually take care of your health and be well without having to spend a fortune doing it. Okay, sino-sino ba yung mga tao behind Live Good? Paano ba na-conceptualize to? Let me introduce to you yung kanina nagsalita, our Live Good CEO. He's the one running the ball game right now, running the company right now. He has over 20 years of experience, not just running, but owning some of the most successful companies in the nutritious supplement. And Ben Glinsky, he knows how to make people win. In fact, kaya na-conceptualize tong Live Good na to kasi nakita niya in the industry, meron naman talagang yumayaman, pero meron ding hindi. In fact, meron din in the industry na naghihirap pa imbis na lalong yumaman. Eh di ba pinapangakuan natin sa industry natin, dito yayaman ka. Kaso unfortunately, not everybody is really doing it. Okay? We put a stop to that. Ben wants to put a stop to that, and that's the reason why Live Good was formed. Together with him, he is joined by his team of good people as well, Ryan Goodken and Lisa Goodken. They're the ones in charge of the product. In fact, si Ryan is our formulator. He has a doctoral, he's a doctor of pharmaceutical, okay, of pharmacy. And yung undergraduate naman niya is of more on natural supplement. So talagang kinumbine niya yung best of both worlds. Si Lisa Goodwin naman is more of a life coach, wellness coach, complete wellness coach. So talagang holistic siya yung approach niya. Not only of what we eat, but also of our exercise, how we sleep. Ang maganda niyan, sila yung in charge sa product. So they know exactly what they're doing. And they know exactly what they're teaching. In fact, every Monday, makikita mo sila in a Zoom discussing different products and how to use it. And Noder Kazan is already a legend in the industry. He has over 40 years of experience. He has seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Ang maganda nito, tinanggal niya yung bad and ugly and yung good lalo pang in-enhance. That's why Live Good is the best company to join. Okay? Again, we have over 15 life-changing products. Life-changing kasi talagang mababago yung buhay mo pag nag-start ka mag-take ng Live Good products. Because not only is it of good quality, pag tinignan mo yung mga ingredients na nasa loob ng mga products natin, talagang alam mo, nakakailanganin ng katawan mo. You do your research. Okay? You browse our website, doon makikita mo how good our products are. They are of highest quality, the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. Okay? So hindi lang yung manufacturing facilities yung talagang inano natin, pati yung mga raw materials or raw ingredients, talagang sinigurado natin na of pure quality, they're pure and of high quality bago natin sila pinrocess. Okay? All our products are made in USA, approved by GMP. If you have an idea of what GMP is, it's good manufacturing practice. Dito sa GMP, hindi ka basta-basta isa-certify unless talagang alam nila na yung product mo is pure and it's very potent. Kaya nga tayo rin, all our products are lab tested for purity and potency. Okay, talagang effective siya. Yung efficiency ng products talagang it would work once you take it. Kaya nga life-changing siya, di ba? And we are not afraid to offer certificates of analysis of each of our product. In fact, nasa website natin to. For those who wants to check our product, available po tong certificate of analysis. Ito po yung third-party analysis or certification how good our product is. Ayan o. Makikita nyo dun sa bilog na nakabilog na yellow. Just click on that and you will find the different certificates available for all our products. Our target is to provide wellness for all. That's the reason why we have 15 different products. We started with 15 different products kasi alam naman natin each individual would have their own needs. Okay? Meron tayo for men's health, for nutrition, women's health, diba? Kasi magkaiba naman yung physiological needs ng men and women. Okay, skin care. Okay, pati yung mga pampaganda, meron tayo body cleansing, which is very important. All right? Anti-aging. Again, pampabeauty. Diba? immunity. Immunity is very important kasi it's our immune system who combats all the diseases. So kung matibay yung immune system mo, talagang most likely hindi ka magkakasakit. So wellness nga, di ba? And then weight management. Even weight management. Why? Kasi it's a problem right now global. Di ba? Yung weight na yan, naging malaking problema yan. And we have products for that as well. Now, most importantly, energy. Kasi yung lifestyles natin ngayon, eto, nasa Zoom tayo, nakaupo tayo, nakikinig lang tayo. We seldom have our exercise already. And because of that, medyo nanlalambot yung katawan natin. Nang hihina. We call it lethargic. Nagiging lethargic tayo. However, if you use our products, then definitely mabuboost yung energy mo. Making you perform at the top of your, on the whole day or on your whole day activities. At ang maganda nito, all our products is available in over 200 countries. We are ready to ship. Lahat ng products natin nanggagaling sa Florida, USA, but they are ready to ship. Meron tayong mga shipping partners who would take care of that. And wala pong problema, nakakarating talaga yung product. In fact, kami nga, nakadalawang padala na kami ng products and set of products, and it arrived. Based on experience, here in the Philippines, it takes about 12 days pag nasa Metro Manila ka. Ako, nasa LA, Laguna. Nasa Laguna ako. It took us about 16 days before the products arrived. Okay? Pero darating at darating yung product. Okay? So, maybe tanong nyo na sa sarili nyo, paano ba umorder ng product? Simple lang po. You can order as a consumer or as a member. Remember, compared to other brands in the market, mababa na yung price natin. So yung retail price natin, mababa na yan. That's what the consumer pays. The consumer pays retail low prices. But if you become a member of Live Good, you pay even lower prices. Okay? In fact, Live Good members save up to 75% compared to products in other networking companies. Diba? Kung sa ibang companies, mabibili mo yung produkto at $100, dito mabibili mo lang at $25. So you get the $75 as savings. And sabi nga nila, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. So parang earnings mo na rin yan, right? That's the reason why price gouging MLMs is already going down. Yung mga giant companies na yan, talagang nagsisimula na silang manginig. Okay? In this illustration, you find David and Goliath yan. Si Goliath is the giant na pinatumba ni David using a sling and a stone. Right? So, hindi naman sa hindi naman sa nilalabanan natin sila directly. But we are not after yung overpriced products kasi. Since Live Good is offering our high-quality products at a very low price, guess what? Saan pupunta yung mga consumers? Siyempre sa Live Good. Kasi yung other companies are offering it at 100. Tayo, we're offering it at 20. So if you buy from Live Good, yung 100 nila can buy 5 products already. Mamaya makikita nyo yung difference nung pricing of other companies compared to that of Live Good. That's why our Director of Network Marketing, Nodor Kazan, he said, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. Which is happening in the industry. Konti lang talaga yung yumayaman, pero gusto na nating itigil yan. That's the reason why yung price ng products natin napakababa talaga. So just to give you an idea, ito yung price comparison. Our CBD oil, the nearest competitor would be Young Living and Green Roads. If you check out the price, it's $89.99 kay Green Roads and $79.95 naman kay Young Living. Pero yung quantity or yung nila, it's only like 550 milligrams and 500 milligrams. Pero ganun sila kamamahal. We offer a 750 milligram CBD oil for only $18. Yes, $18 lang yung sa atin. Meaning kayang-kaya nang bumili if you're buying from these other companies right now, your $90 can actually buy you 4 for CBD oils na higher concentration, 750 milligrams. What else? Ito, super greens. Kung medyo more into meat ka, mahilig ka sa Chicken Joy, lechon belly, di ba, burger, steak, you take less vegetables, fruits and vegetables eh. But our body needs that. Yan pumapasok yung super greens. Ang competitor natin dyan, yung pinakamalapit na, I'm not saying of the same quality, pero yung pinakamalapit na would be Organifi and Athletic Greens. Prices nila, $99.99. Mamera na lang $100 na siya. Okay? And $69.99. Ours is at $18. And if you check the ingredients put together or the raw material, the different botanicals put together in this super greens, talagang mamamangha ka. Kailangan ng body natin lahat. Okay? What about serum? Ageless skin serum. Ito yung pampabata. Ito yung tinatawag namin fountain of youth. Diba? For your skin to stay vibrant, talagang smooth, young looking. Ito yung pinagkakagulan. Maraming bumibili nito. Kahit mahal siya, it's $86 in the market or $59.50 kung medyo nagtitipid ka. But look at our price. It's only $14.95. And if you compare the quality of our product as compared to others, mas maganda pa rin yung products natin. And multivitamins. Ito, di ba nabanggit ko kanina, iba yung retail price natin, iba yung members price. Yung retail price natin, mas mababa na as compared to that in the market, mas mababa pa yung members price. Sample, multivitamins. Bioactive Complete Multivitamins for men and women. Ang retail price niyan sa Live Good is $17.95. But if you become a member, you only pay $9.95. So doon pa lang, bawi na yung membership fee na babayaran mo. Right? So why not become a member and enjoy the discount? Kasi nga, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Okay? Yung ating organic super greens, the retail price is $29.95 while the members price is only $18. Super Reds. Si Super Reds naman, more on our circulation, the health of our heart, pati yung ating brain. Kasi pag maganda yung circulation ng blood natin, magiging maganda yung blood flow natin, masusuplayan lahat ng organs natin, lahat ng cells, tissues in our body with the proper oxygen and nutrition in our body that our body needs. Okay? The retail price is $29.95 and the member's price is $18. Ang laki ng savings if you become a member of Live Good. And then ito, Healthy Organic Weight Management Coffee with mushrooms. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, it's with 6 mushrooms. Talagang maganda siya. Di ba nga sabi ko, even weight management, talagang meron tayong products for that. Yan yon. Okay? The retail price is $28.95 and the members price is $17.95. Right? Wala pang 1,000 pesos. And then protein, if you're more into bodybuilding, body leaning, or muscle leaning, muscle toning, ito bagay sa iyo to. Kasi this is completely plant-based protein. Okay, the members price is the retail price is $34 while the members price is only $22. In fact, meron tayong package dito that comes with 7 products for only $99. Naalala niyo yung CBD oil na pinakita ko kanina, $99.99. Mas mahal pa yun, isang produkto lang yan. Pero sa Live Good, with your $99, makakabili ka na ng 7 products. In fact, kung titignan mo sa market, yung mga available dyan sa market, nakatumbas, halos katumbas nitong mga products na to, ang babayaran mo is $278.75. Ang laki ng diferensya. Ang dami mo nang mabibili with your $178 na savings. Right? So yun, you save more when you become a member. And again, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. And just to prove to you na talagang available tayo anywhere in the world, from US to Philippines, nakakarating yung product. This picture was taken by our coaches, Coach Fernan and Coach Ferdy. Sinishare nila sa atin the first time they ordered their products. At talagang nakarating after 12 days. Okay? we're just starting with these products, but soon marami pang padating. In fact, ang pinaka-inaabangan ngayon is collagen. Collagen, pampabata yan, pampaganda ng skin natin. It's very beneficial for our body. Okay, watch out for that kasi mahal ang collagen sa ibang companies, ibang brand ng collagen masyadong mahal. We're watching out for this kasi we're sure na talagang napakababa na naman ang presyo nito. Alright, so iba yung retail price natin, mas mababa na as compared to other companies, mas mababa pa pag member. So the question is how to become a Live Good member. Number one, I'm sure na merong nag-invite sa inyo dito to see this presentation. So you ask for their link. You ask for their your sponsor's link. Kasi doon kayo magre-register. You put your name and your email, and then you lock in by paying $9.95 to become a member. Or kung gusto mo makatipid, you pay for 1 year. That's $99.95. Nakatipid ka ng 2 buwan. And once you become a member, you get to buy the products at wholesale price. All right? But this is the question. Kasi I've been discussing discounts and I've been saying na every dollar saved is a dollar earned. But what if you want to earn more? Would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more? Maganda ron yung or more. Di ba? Bakit magsasatisfy ka sa $2,000 when you can actually earn more? In fact, in Live Good, you could earn up to $2,000. That's the minimum you can earn in time, ha? In time. I'm saying, hindi porket naging member ka today, kinabukasan may $2,000 ka na. Pag meron nangako sa inyo ng ganon, takbuhan nyo. That's not true. Okay? Scam yan. Pero sa atin, we are assuring you that if you become a member today, and you continuously becoming a member by paying your subscription, in time, you would be receiving $2,000 or more. All right? So for those who are interested to earn more, stay tuned. Ito na. Ito na yung exciting part ng aking presentation. I know you've been excited kanina pa because of what I've presented. But this is going to be, again, much, much better. So for that, before that, iinom muna ako para talagang kompleto tayo. Okay, meron pang intermission. Okay. So how do you do that? You become a Live Good affiliates. Ano ba yung affiliates? Para tayong referral partner. Okay, Live Good is not advertising anywhere. It's not advertising on television, not in the internet, not even in magazines. So paano lang malalaman ng tao na may Live Good? Through us, through words of mouth. Okay? Tayo ngayon yung magpapakilala sa Live Good sa iba by becoming an affiliate. We also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Okay, so to become an affiliate, how do you become an affiliate? Again, kunin niyo uli yung link nung nag-invite sa inyo dito, register kayo doon. But this time, to become an affiliate, you pay a one-time fee of $49.95 on your first month. And then the following month, $9.95 na lang yung babayaran mo. Or again, kung gusto mo maka-discount, instead of paying $49.95, you pay $139.95. And that will cover your 1-year subscription. All right, is that clear? Great. All right, so become an affiliate member and enjoy all the benefits you could possibly have. Talagang you'll be excited at the compensation plan that I'll be presenting to you later. So ano yung makukuha mo sa $49.95? May products ba yan? Wala po. Again, I'm telling you, Live Good is not a product-centered company, but it is more of a buyer's club. So what you would have actually, number one, is the access to club membership or to the membership club. Pag nagkaroon ka na ng access to dun sa membership club, then definitely you will be enjoying the discounts, the member's price every time you buy a product. So, money, $1 saved is $1 earned. So, kumikita ka na doon through savings. Plus, you get to have a digital marketing products. In fact, meron tayong three major websites. The first website is for you to monitor your business. Diyan mo makikita yung mga taong nag-aano sa iyo, nagre-register under you, kung magkano kikitain mo. Diyan ka rin magsha-shop for your personal use. And then number 2 is an online store. Si online store para siyang Shopee or Lazada. Pero personalized sa'yo. Nandun yung pangalan mo and all the products of Live Good is available there. Okay? Yan yung ibibigay mo naman sa mga customers mo for them to shop at retail price, yung mga ayaw mag-member. And then number 3 is your landing page. Yung video na nakita niyo sa simula, andun yun sa landing page natin. Every member na mag-join sa Live Good, magkakaroon ng landing page na yon. Yan naman yung ipapadala mo dun sa mga gusto mong maging partners dito. Dun sa mga gusto mong i-invite to become affiliate members as well. Okay? And it's very powerful. It's very powerful. In fact, maraming nagjo-join just by watching that video. And of course, you also get to enjoy sending people here sa Zoom natin, which is happening every night at 7 o'clock and 9 p.m. except Sunday. Okay? So Sunday is our rest day. We dedicate that to the Lord. And so yun. Ano pa? And lastly, you get to participate in the compensation plan. Kanina ko pa sinasabi yan kasi napakaganda ng compensation plan natin. Mamaya i-discuss ko isa-isa. Okay, so Live Good is a membership club that pays. Sabi ko nga kanina, maraming membership club pero dun sa ibang membership club, tayo lang yung bayad ng bayad. Dito sa Live Good, while we are a member, while we are paying our subscription, darating yung time, tayo naman yung babayaran ng Live Good. And the subscription is only for $9.95 per month. Or kung gusto mo makatipid, $99.95 per year. Nakatipid ka ng 2 buwan. So ano ba yung membership club? Baka nagtataka kayo. Ano ba yung membership club na yan? How does it work? So let me just show you some example. The best way to explain it is by giving you some examples of membership club. Ayan, Amazon Prime, Sam's Club, Netflix, Disney Premium, Costco Wholesale. These are membership club, meaning if you're not a member, then you don't get to enjoy the services and the products they're offering. Si Amazon Prime, they're offering their membership at $14.99 per month or $139 per year. So mas mababa pa si Live Good, right? Si Sam's Club naman, it's pretty much of a discount club, I believe. $100 per year naman yung kanyang subscription or yung kanyang membership club. Si Netflix, I'm sure familiar kayo sa Netflix kasi talagang nag-binge watching tayo dito. Ang nakukuha natin dito, pamamaga ng mata at paglaki ng electric bill. Okay, but before we get to enjoy the different movies, the different show available in the Netflix, we need to pay subscription. Magkano naman yon? $9.99, $15.49, $19.99, depende dun sa package na kinuha mo. And it's monthly. Subukan mong hindi magbayad ng Netflix, tapos manood ka, hindi ka napapanoorin kasi hindi ka nakapagbayad. Subscription yung tawag dyan or membership yung tawag dyan. And then Disney Premium naman, more of Disney movies, right? So it's $10.99 per month, $109.99 per year. Si Costco, it's more of a physical store available in different countries. Wala nga lang dito sa Philippines but in the US, it's masyadong sikat to. Sikat to talaga. Their membership club is $120 per year. Ano naman yung makukuha ng mga members ng Costco? They get to go inside Costco and mag-shop doon. So wala ring product na makukuha yon. Ang makukuha lang nila is access para hindi sila pigilan ng guard pumasok doon sa Costco. Pero once inside, they get to buy the merchandise at a very low price. Okay? Now, so that's club membership. Ano naman yung subscription? Siguro natackle ko na rin yung subscription because we pay through subscription. Kaya meron tayong monthly charges. What we're paying monthly is our subscription for us to remain a member of Live Good. Okay? Sample ng subscription, eto. Zoom. Zoom has become popular because of the pandemic. Long before that, andyan na si Zoom and it's being used already kasi nga it offers comfort. Nasa bahay ka, nakapahinga ka, but you're reaching so many people. In fact, dito na lang sa Zoom room natin, we're reaching Israel, we're reaching UAE, meron tayo sa Hong Kong, meron tayo sa UK, pero ako nasa LA, di ba? Laguna. Nasa Laguna ako, yet people around the world can hear me. That's how good Zoom is. But is Zoom free? No. You get to pay subscription also. If you fail to pay your subscription, matatanggal yung access mo sa Zoom. And guess what? Zoom has over $2.65 billion annual revenue. Ganyan kalaki yung kinikita ng Zoom through subscription. Mukha siyang maliit kasi nga ang subscription ng parang yung maliit na package ng Zoom is only about $10. Diba? What's $10? 500 pesos. Pero sa dami ng mga subscribers, umaabot ng billions of dollars ang kanilang revenue. Netflix, again, very popular. Netflix has over 230.75 million subscribers as of last year. And from their subscription alone, kumita si Netflix ng 31.6 billion US dollars annual revenue in 2022. Ganon kalaki ang kinikita ng mga subscription company, ng mga membership club. Costco is another example. It has 59 million member household with over 107 million card holders, and 88% of them talagang renew monthly. Nagbabayad sila ng monthly, annually, pero definitely they want to remain a member. And how much did they earn? $3.5 billion in membership alone. Iba pa yung kinita nila dun sa pamimili ng mga members nila, pero dun sa membership pa kumita na sila ng $3.5 billion. Billion dollars. Tine-emphasize ko sa lang. Kasi the reason why we are showing you this is because we're showing you how big a membership club and a subscription company is. And Live Good is a membership club that pays. Kasi lahat yung pinakita ko sa inyong company, tayo lang yung bayad ng bayad. Subukan mong ikwento yung experience mo sa Netflix, sa panonood sa Netflix sa kaibigan mo. And subukan mong i-convince siya na mag-subscribe din sa Netflix. Palagay mo makaka-receive ka ng kahit 5 cents from Netflix? I don't think so. But with Live Good, if you do that, if you refer Live Good to your friends, to your colleagues, even to strangers, makaka-receive at makaka-receive ka. How? Through our compensation plan. The compensation plan, eto na. I want all eyes on me. I want all eyes on the presentation because this is for you. The message that you're going to receive here, the message that I'm going to impart is for you. Okay. So, the compensation plan structure will be powered by powerful unilevel and a force matrix. Dalawa po yung structure natin. Ang makikita natin dun sa ating business site will be the matrix. But the system knows also the unilevel. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo kung how it works. By the way, the unilevel is infinite wide. Ganito rin eh. The system knows kung ikaw yung nagre-refer ka ng tao. So every person whom you would successfully refer to Live Good, the system will put it under you. So yun yung level 1 mo. And then if that person decides to share the business to others at naging successful yung referral nila, yung ng level 2 mo. Now, this is infinite wide, meaning you could refer as many people as you want. And you get to be paid up to 10 levels deep. Meaning yung ni-refer mo, nag-refer, 10 tao under you, babayaran ka pa rin ni Live Good. Okay, with the force matrix naman, as the term is mentioned, it's force matrix. Meaning, hindi ikaw yung makikialam ng pagpuno nito. The system will automatically fill this in. Okay? Pero ang importante dito, dalawa lang ang pwedeng ikabit ng system sa isang tao. Kaya siya magbumukang, this is not pyramid, this is not, it's just a triangular shape. Kasi ganun talaga eh. isa kakabitan ng dalawa, yung dalawa kakabitan ng Tagalawa, that makes 4. Yung 4 kakabitan ng Tagalawa. So magmumukha siya talagang triangle shape, right? Pero this has nothing to do with pyramid or whatnot. Don't be afraid, okay? The reason why we have these two structures for our compensation plan is because we have 7 ways to earn. Meron tayong weekly fast start, meron tayong retail commission. Dun yung dalawang compensation na yon, babase yan dun sa uni-level with 10 levels deep. Diba? Yung nabanggit ko kanina, yung mga directly na ni-refer mo, successfully referred mo, ilalagay sa ilalim mo, and then if they also refer people, mapupunta yan sa level 2 mo, level 3, level 4, until you reach 10 levels. Okay? And then we also have matrix commission. Yan naman yung power of 2. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and so on. It's the system will build that for you. Dalawa lang ang pwedeng ikabit sa isang tao. Kaya nagmukha siyang triangular in shape. And for every person na mapupunta sa organization mo, Live Good, you'll receive compensation for that as well. Okay? Bakit meron nakalagay na matching bonus sa gitna ng dalawa? Kasi it's a combination of the uni-level plus the matrix. Mamaya i-explain ko yan. We still have different ways to earn, like the influencer bonus. I will show you later. The diamond pool bonus. As a diamond member, when you become a diamond in Live Good, para ka ng part owner. Kasi part ka na ng profit sharing. Okay? Much more if you become a diamond crown or a crown diamond. Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na diamond crown bonus pool. Mamaya, papakita ko ulit sa inyo yan. Kaya stay tuned lang kayo hanggang dulo. Okay? Open your mind, makinig kayo maigi, matutuwa kayo dito. Let's start with the first. Weekly fast start bonus, 10 levels deep. As the term itself says, or the name itself says, it's weekly. So it's being paid weekly. And then fast start. Ito yung mabilis na mababayad sa'yo. Okay? So weekly fast, right? Now, it says here that for every successful referral you make, for those people na magiging affiliate member din, tulad mo, of course, una, ikaw, you become an affiliate member by paying $49.95 and then you share the business to others. Pag meron kang ma-refer dito successfully who would also pay $49.95, Live Good will pay you $25 in commission for every person. And remember yung uni-level natin kanina, that's infinite wide. So you can refer as many people as you can, pero babayaran ka for every successful referral ng $25. In this example, meron tayong 4, so $25 each, that's $100. And you get to receive that the following week. All right? So, think about this. $25 bonuses on every referral. Walang auto ship akong binanggit, walang quota akong binanggit, walang volume requirements akong binanggit, walang product purchase akong binanggit. Ang sinabi ko lang, kailangan isa kang affiliate member and you have to be an active member. And you are referring the business to others. For every successful referral, meron kang $25. Think about this. Makakuha ka ng isa, $25. Makakuha ka ng dalawa, $25. Magkano yon? $50. Magkano nilabas mo? $49.95. So kung mag-join ka ngayon, in 1 week, make sure na makakuha ka ng dalawa, the following week, bumalik na yung nilabas mong pera. Hindi ka pa nagbabayad ng first month mo. Right? So ang bilis ng ROI dito, hindi tulad doon sa ibang company where you need to pay $10,000, 10,000 pesos, 8,000 pesos, even 60,000, 100,000 pesos. Paano babalik yung capital na yon? Dito $50 yung nilabas mo, kumuha ka lang ng dalawa, automatic balik na yung puhunan mo. And ang maganda nun, nag-rank up ka pa to bronze. Mamaya didiscuss ko ano ba yung mga ranking na yan. Ito na pala yung susunod na slide. Weekly fast start bonus, as I mentioned, ang titignan dito yung uni-level and it's infinite wide. You can actually refer as many people as you want. Tapos, ang maganda nito, when your people, the people you referred, gets to do the business and you continuously get to do the business, and you rank up, even if you don't rank up, kumuha ka lang ng isa, meron kang $25. However, ang maganda nito, pag kumuha ka ng dalawa, bukod sa bumalik yung puhunan mo, nag-rank up ka na. Kasi ang requirement to become a bronze, kumuha ka lang ng dalawa. 2 successful referrals put you in the bronze position. And when you're already a bronze, you get to enjoy up to the second level. Sa first level, may $25 ka. Yung personally na-refer mo, you get $25. Pag yung na-refer mo, nag-refer ng sarili niya, hindi mo nakilala kasi kilala niya yon, meron ka pang $5 as bronze. And if you continue, kasi meron tayong the next rank would be silver, then gold, then platinum, then diamond, then crown diamond. Okay, when you become a silver, you get to enjoy up to 4th level. Meron kang $2.50 on the 3rd and then $2.50 on the 4th. And then if you become gold, you become eligible to enjoy up to 6th level. On the 5th level, meron kang $1.50. On the 6th level, you still have $1. On the when you become platinum, hanggang 8th level na yung pwede mong i-enjoy. Meron ka pang $1 on the 7th level and 50 cents on the 8th level. But if you become a diamond, up to 10 levels deep. Ikaw lang yung mag-e-enjoy ng up to 10 levels deep. Kasi meron ka pang 50 cents on the 9th level and 50 cents on the 10th level. Baka sabi mo, 50 cents lang, pero just imagine, ang dami niyan. If you personally referred to many people, tapos they did the business 10 levels deep, ang dami niyan, ang daming 50 cents niyan. In fact, ito yung pinaka fast track mo. Panggastos pa lang to. Ang laki na ng possible income dito. Pero since weekly natin nare-receive, ito yung pang daily allowance mo, pang bayad ng bills mo, while waiting for the big commissions to come. Okay? The next compensation would be the 2x15 matrix, which will come from the 2x15 matrix. It's called the matrix monthly commission. Paano ba yan? Nabanggit ko kanina, kakabitan ka ng dalawa ng system, tapos yung dalawa mo kakabitan ng dalawa, making it 4, and then 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. Now, for every person na mapupunta sa matrix mo, the company will pay you 25 cents. Alright? 25 cents. I know it sounds small, diba? $0.25 lang yan, but sa dami ng taong mapupunta sa'yo, mapupunta dun sa matrix mo, it would accumulate and aabot yan up to 2,000 or even more. Okay? So again, by the way, yung mga taong mapupunta sa'yo, pwede siyang manggaling sa'yo because you're doing the business. Pwede rin siyang manggaling dun sa person na nasa taas mo because they're doing the business, or yung person na nasa taas nung nasa taas mo, or yung person na nasa... Basta, it works that way. So long as somebody above you is doing the business, then you would receive spillover. Now, if it so happens na meron na punta sa ilalim mo who would do the business also, that will become part of your matrix as well. So ganun siya na-feel, hindi si company yung naglalagay. It's the system that puts or arrange the people in your matrix, pero hindi sa kanya nanggagaling yung mga tao. They are the people are coming from those who are doing the business. Kasi nga dalawa lang yung pwedeng kumabit sa isang tao pagdating sa matrix. So saan mapupunta yon? If for example ako, I do the business, meron akong dalawang nakuha, nakabitan na ako ng dalawa, tinuloy ko yung pagre-refer. Nakaabot ako ng 30 people. So saan ilalagay yung 30? Sa ilalim ng mga nakuha ko. Kaya lumalaki yung matrix mo even without you doing anything. In fact, if you decide not to do the business and talagang maghintay ka lang, ang tawag namin dito is spillover waiters, maghihintay lang, you still get to enjoy matrix income up to 12 levels deep. If you understand it well, si matrix, pag 12 levels deep na yan, ang total number of people in your matrix is already 8,190. times 25 cents, that's a total of $2,047.50. Diyan nanggagaling yung $2,000 or more. Kasi pag hindi ka talaga nagano, hanggang dyan na lang yung income mo. If you don't do the business, if you don't refer Live Good to others, hanggang dyan na lang yung income mo. Still, it's 100,000 pesos. Not bad pa rin. Pero pag tinanong mo ko kung kailan mangyayari to, isa lang sagot ko, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. Kasi depende yan dun sa mga taong mapupunta sa iyo. Depende yan dun sa mga taong nasa taas mo. However, you can do something about it to fill this. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. The moment you start doing the business, let's say, nag-refer ka ng dalawa and it was successful, you become bronze. When you become bronze or when you rank up, lalagpas ka na sa level 12. Si bronze actually gets to enjoy up to level 13. And on level 13, ang matrix income niyan totals $4,095.50. Nakita nyo, nag-recruit lang, nag-sponsor lang ng dalawa na double na yung matrix income. Now, if you become bronze and silver, yun, that's for bronze and silver. If you become gold and platinum naman, you get to enjoy up to 14th level dip. And the matrix income, provided the matrix is already filled, it's $8,191.50. So again, na doble uli, di ba? So each level na nadadagdag, nadodoble halos yung matrix income. Si Diamond, the highest rank so far here in Live Good, actually may susunod na dyan, Crown Diamond. Pero when we talk about matrix, si Diamond gets up to the 15th level. So ang matrix income ng isang diamond is up to $16,383.50. So again, ba't hindi mo i-share yung Live Good? If only you can see this, if only you can understand this. 'Di ba? Yung mga nagde-decide or nag-join dito just to become a spillover waiter, think again, look at this, understand this, kasi sayang. All you need to do is share the business. Sabi nga dito, if you receive something good, it's your obligation to share it to as many. Diba? So just to give you an idea of the matrix, this is how it looks like. Ikaw halimbawa yung kulay orange na tao, you're the orange man, and then there are so many other blue man under you. So yung first level mo, may dalawang ikakabit sa'yo, that's 2. The second level, yung dalawang kinabit sa'yo, kakabitan ng Tagalawa, that makes 4. And then kinabitan sila ng Tagalawa, that makes 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 2565, 12, 1024, 2048, and so on. Ganyan napupuno yung matrix. And it's the system who arranges these people. Kaya hindi mo pwedeng kamadahin to. Hindi mo pwedeng ipangako, sige pumasok ka, ilalagay kita sa ilalim ko mismo sa matrix. You cannot promise that. Because it's the system who will generate this or who will arrange this. Okay? But, here's the thing. Sabi ko kung kailan mapupuno yung matrix, hindi natin alam. Hindi ko alam. But, there is a way. There is a way for us to determine this. How? Eto, papakita ko sa inyo. The power of 2. The power of 2. Okay? Di ba ikaw, when you start, well, after this, you will join, definitely. After this, so nag-iisa ka pa lang. What you do on your first week, maghanap ka ng dalawa. Dalawa lang. Maghanap ka ng dalawa, so that makes 2 on the first week. Tapos yung dalawang nahanap mo, turuan mo mag-refer na ng Tagalawa. So may madadagdag na 4 dun sa matrix mo. Your matrix now becomes 6. And then yung 4, paturuan mo sa dalawang kinuha mo, turuan yung Tagalawang kinuha nila, kumuha ng Tagalawa. Just to give you an idea, bakit kukuha ng dalawa yung bago? Para mabawi nila yung puhunan nila. Diba? Naglabas sila ng $49. Sabi mo, gusto mo mabawi yan? Mag-refer ka ng 2 tao, bawi yan. And then kalimutan na niya. So, pag yan nagtuloy-tuloy, and if this happens weekly, just look at the chart. On the first week, 2. So 2. On the second week, 4. 6. Third week, 8. And so on and so forth. On the 12th week, that's 3 months, meron ka ng 8,190 people in your matrix. Kompleto na yung level 12 mo. Now, if you decide to do the business at nag-rank up ka, on the 15th week, umabot ka ng diamond, on the 15th week, puno na yung 2x15 matrix mo. Meaning, on the 15th week, binabayaran ka na ng 16,000 plus, $16,383.50 sa matrix income mo. Ganon ka siya kabilis. Weekly, 15 weeks. Ano yung 15 weeks? It's like a little over 3 months, di ba? 15 weeks for 8 months. Yeah, a little over 3 months. Ganon siya kabilis. Madali mong mapupuno yung matrix mo provided everybody in your organization or everybody in your matrix do this. And madali lang naman kumuha ng dalawa eh. Kasi wala naman product purchase na gagawin dito. Walang volume purchase na gagawin. Hindi ka pa bibili ng package. You don't need to shell out 8,000, 10,000, 18,000, 60,000, 100,000. Magkano ilalabas mo? 49.95. In peso, 3,000. Sa ATM po, ang maintaining balance is yung iba 3,000, yung iba 2,000. So provided na mini-maintain nila yung ATM nila, may 2,000 na sila. 1,000 na lang yung kulang. So just to give you an idea, almost everybody has 3,000. So it's just a matter of them understanding what's in it for them when they join Live Good. Pag naintindihan nila to, lahat kayo na na-invite dito to listen to this presentation, pag naintindihan nyo to, hindi kayo papayag na hindi sumali. Okay? O sige, sabihin mo, busy ako, may iba akong ginagawa. Gawin na lang nating monthly to instead na weekly. Ano yung 15 months? That's like a year and 3 months. 1 year and 3 months, kumikita ka ng $16,000. Ano yung $16,000? That's 800,000 pesos. Eh dito nga, let's say you work for 40 years. Magkano kikitain mo? 8,000 pesos. Diyos mio. Yung iba nagtsatsaga mag-employee for 40 years just to receive a pension of 8,000. Dito, you get to do the business, you do it for 15 months or 15 months lang, mahaba na yun eh. Or 15 weeks, mas maikli. But you get to earn 800,000 pesos month after month, after month, after month, after month. Wala na pong katapusan yan. That's going to be your pension. Okay? Pero yan, yung pinakita kong power of 2, pampabilis lang mapuno ng matrix yan. Okay? Kasi meron pa tayong third means to earn, which is the matching bonus. Ito yung nasa gitna kanina. Diba sinabi ko, i-combine yung matrix tsaka yung linear or yung unilevel. Remember, sa unilevel, lahat ng successfully ma-refer mo, mapupunta under you. Now, in matrix, sa matrix naman, each of us will have our own matrix. Yes, we belong to a single matrix worldwide, but each of us will have our own matrix to fill. Okay? So lahat din nung ni-refer mo, magkakaroon ng sarili-sarili nilang matrix. Therefore, magkakaroon sila ng sarili nilang matrix income. Just like you, nagkakaroon ka ng sarili mong matrix income, whether gawin mo yung business, maghintay ka lang, whether you're a spillover waiter or a spillover maker, gawin mo man yung business o hindi, mapupuno yung matrix mo, magkakaroon ka ng income. Ganon din sila. Lahat ng mga na-invite mo rito, lahat ng mga na-refer mo rito, they would also have their own matrix to fill. Right? Ito maganda. Bukod dun sa matrix income mo, you still get to have 50% of whatever they receive on their matrix income. Yes, you heard me right. Tsaka hindi ko kunin sa kanila yon, kaya hindi sila magagalit sa iyo. Di ba? Kukunin na yan, bibigay yan as a bonus ng Live Good. Let me give you an example. For example, meron kang 4 na na-refer successfully dito and all of them did the business. Yung una, pag na-refer mo, you get 50% of their metrics, right? So, let's say for example, yung una, ginawa yung 2x2 na tinuro ko kanina. In a matter of weeks, yung income niya umabot na ng 1,000. Matrix income niya umabot ng 1,000. Marireceive niya ng buo yung $1,000. ang maganda nito, since ikaw yung nag-invite sa kanya, ikaw yung nag-refer sa kanya to become an affiliate member, Live Good will pay you 50% of that. How much is that? $500. Yung second, nagtrabaho pero medyo bawas yung time, $500 lang yung matrix income niya. May 50% ka pa rin, $250. Yung isa, $100 lang yung matrix income niya, may $50 ka pa rin. And then the fourth one, $200, you get $100. Pero infinite wide yan. What if you have 40, 50, 100 directs? Each of them would have their own matrix. Each of them would have their own matrix income. And from each of them, you get 50%. Kahit sabihin mong tago $100 lang yan, kung 50 yan, that's already $5,000. Ang laki nun. Right? Kaya nga, ang ano lang naman dito, you have to share the business. All you need to do is share the business. Instead of just being a spillover waiter, be a spillover maker. And how do you do that? Share the business to as many as you can. Kasi ito, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalaki tong matching bonus na to. Let's say, for example, nag-share ka to 30 different people and they successfully joined. They become an affiliate member like you. 30 different people. And they did the business. Okay? Now, time came, umaabot na ng $6,000 yung matrix income nila. 50% of that is $3,000. But since there are 30 direct sponsor from you, that's 30 times 3,000. That's $90,000. Magkano yan in peso? 5,040,000 pesos. Month after month after month after month after month. Huwag po kayong pilosopo. Ibig sabihin, walang katapusan na yan. Buwan-buwan nyo nang marireceive yan. Okay? Baka bilangin nyo, month after month after month after. 5 buwan lang yun, coach. Hindi po. Tuloy-tuloy na po yan. Kasi bakit? Since these people are earning as well, they would continuously paying the subscription of $995. Eh doon naman kinukuha yan, di ba? From the $995 subscription. Remember yung mga companies na pinakita ko, they're earning billions. Kung nalalakihan kayo dito, please po, wag. Kasi the company would be earning billions when this time comes. Okay? Now, sige, palitin natin ng konti. Kunyari, 20 lang yung directs mo. And each of them, hindi ginawa yung business. Meaning, hindi nag-refer. Naghintay lang. Okay? So remember, hanggang 12 yung ano nila, 12 level yung matrix income nila. That's $2,047.50, di ba? Hindi nila hinangad yung or more. Ikaw hinangad mo yung or more, kaya naghanap ka ng 20 direct referrals. In each referral, you get 50%. That's $1,023.75 times 20, that's $20,475. That's 1,146,600 monthly income. Time will come, time will come. Hindi po yan kinabukasan, ha? Talagang darating yung time, mapupuno yung mga matrices natin. And once na mapuno yung mga matrices natin and successfully yung nag-refer ka ng 20 and successful at talagang nagstay sila as subscribers, yan yung kikitain mo monthly. Napakalaking pension po niyan. Even if you live to be a 90, 100 years old, covered na po lahat ng expenses nyo. Kaya po dito sa Live Good, talagang matutupad yung mga pangarap mo, matutupad yung mga pangarap ng mahal mo sa buhay. Malamang pati mga kapitbahay mo matutupad ang pangarap. Alright. There are people who will tell you directly, sige, Coach Mon, sige Mon, sasali ako sa iyo, pero pagbibigyan lang kita, hindi ko gagawin yung business. Meron po. Meron akong kausap na ganyan. Ni-request ko lang, sige, since you're not going to do the business, do me a favor na lang. Bukod sa iyo, ipasok mo pa yung anak mo tsaka asawa mo. Gawin mong 3 yung ipasok mo. Anyway, that's an additional of $2,500 lang monthly. Okay? Pag pumayag yan, this is what will happen. Dun sa matrix income niya, syempre nasa bronze na siya, abot na siya ng level 13, aabot na yung matrix niya ng $4,095.50. Ngayon, yung dalawang family member niya, tag $2,047.50, a total of $4,095. So yun, income nung dalawang members, nung asawa at anak niya, combined, yun yung income nila. Plus, you still get a matching bonus of 50%. 50%, which is a total of $2,047. Kasi dalawang 50 cents, 50%. So, ang total niyan is $2,047.50. If you add this all up, that's a total of $10,238 dollars. So, just imagine, instead na nag-iisa ka lang, dagdagan mo lang ng 2 tao, family member, you get a family income instead of $2,047.50, aabot ng $10,238. That's $573,328. You would be living comfortably with that amount of money coming in month after month after month. Don't you agree? 'Di ba? So okay na siya. Pero ito maganda. Sabi ko nga, why stop there? Kasi unlimited yung pwede mong gawing direct referral. Unlimited yung pwede mong, and all the tools are ready. The Zoom is available nightly. Dito sa Zoom na to, ang dami pong nako-close. All they do is send the people here. Kami yung nag-i-explain pag na-close sa inyo yung account. Right? So don't limit yourself with that. Ito yung vision ng ating Coach Fernan and Coach Ferds. Their vision is 100 solid directs. And I want you to make this your vision as well. 100 solid directs. Lahat tayo, pag the moment we come into this business, the moment we become an affiliate member, ang hangarin natin maging diamond. Bakit? Kasi lahat po ng diamond nag-start by simply watching a Zoom or talking to another affiliate member. They all started like us, an affiliate member. And look at them now. They're already halos considered as part owner of the company kasi meron silang profit sharing. So, na-meet na natin yung first requirement to become an affiliate member. All we need to do is work our way up to become diamonds. Now, if that is your vision, share it to 100 people na directly mare-refer mo dito. Make it their vision also to become diamonds. Because a diamond will get to enjoy up to the 15th level of the matrix. That's a total of $16,383.50. 50% of that is $8,191.75. Times 100, that's a total of $819,175. In peso, that's 45,873,800 pesos monthly income. Kung ganyan po kalaki yung pumapasok na pera sa inyo buwan-buwan, ang laki ng problema nyo. Pero it's a good problem. Bakit? Siguro you could spend the 5,000 easily, 5 million easily, pero yung 40 million, mahirapan ka i-spend lahat eh. Ang maganda nito, the following month, ayan na naman yung 45 million. Ayan na naman yung 45 million. Kaya nga dito, hindi lang pangarap mo yung matutupad, hindi lang pangarap ng pamilya mo yung matutupad, pangarap ng church mo, pangarap ng community mo, kaya mo to pa rin. Kasi this is possible. And if this happens, talagang ibibigay ni Live Good to. 45,873,800 monthly income. If this happens, talagang all our dreams would come true. What about this? 1,000 direct referrals. I'm not saying this will happen in a month or 2 months or whatnot, pero may gumagawa nito. In fact, yung sa leaderboard natin, nasa 700 direct referrals na siya in a matter of 6 months. So, kayang mangyari to. Sige, pagpalagay na natin. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang nag-refer, tuloy-tuloy lang na may nag-join sa'yo in a matter of like 5-10 years, umabot ng 1,000 directs mo. Tapos talagang silang their matrices was failed. Umabot ng 6,000 yung earnings nila do sa mga matrix nila. You get 50%, that's 3,000. 3,000 times 1,000 is $3 million. $3 million is approximately 168 million pesos. And that's monthly. It will not happen overnight. It will not happen over a month, a week, or whatnot. Pero pwede siya. Pwede siya mangyari. Tuloy-tuloy. Sabi ko nga, 10 years eh. Diba? Kung wala ka rin namang ginagawa in the next 10 years, edi gawin mo na tong negosyong to. At pag umabot ng 6,000 yung earnings nila sa Matrix, may 50% ka, aabot ng 168,000 yung income mo monthly. 168 million. Sorry. 168 million pesos yung income mo monthly. Kaya nga dito, kung hihintay ka lang ng Matrix, yes, kikita ka. Walang problema doon. Kung kailan, ewan ko. Ewan namin. Walang makakasagot niyan. However, if you decide to do the business, yes, kikita ka. May fast start bonus, so yes, kikita ka weekly. May panggastos ka habang naghihintay ka ng malaki. Pero ang maganda nito, by the time na ma-fill up na yung matrix mo, by the time you start receiving your matching bonuses, yan na yung point na yumayaman ka na. Slowly, unti-unti, palaki ng palaki, payaman ka ng payaman. Right? What if all of us become diamonds? Diba? In example lang na tayo, may 4 na diamonds na tayo sa Philippines. So, totoong nangyayari. And it's just a matter of what? They started January. It's only June. 5 months. 4 na diamond. Diba? So, talagang yan yung hangarin natin. Kasi lahat naman tayo nagsisimula by becoming an affiliate member. Na-meet na natin yung unang qualification, become an affiliate member. Gawin na lang natin yung mga ibang qualification pa. What's that? To do the business. To do the business consistently, to put all your effort in doing the business. And sooner or later, you will become diamonds yourself. All of us will become diamonds as well. Okay? Hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron pang tinatawag na retail commission 10 levels deep. Again, unilevel, tapos 10 levels deep. Infinite to. Remember kanina doon sa presentation, sinabi ko may difference yung retail price with members price. Yung difference nun, let's say for example, the retail price is 18, the members price is 8, there's a difference of 10, hati kayo ng company doon. Meaning bibigyan ka ng 50%. You still get to receive $5 of that. So yan yon. Yan yung ano. And walang kahirap-hirap to kasi meron kang shop. May online shop ka na yun lang ang ibibigay mo. You don't need to keep your inventory. You don't need to worry about shipping kasi si Livegood na bahala doon eh. Hindi nga ikaw yung magpapake. All you need to do is make them order. Livegood will pack it. Livegood will ship it. It will be delivered to their doorstep. Kikitain mo na lang yung kinita mo. Okay? So again, 50% up to 10 levels deep. Eto, pakita ko sa inyo. When you rank up, hindi lang dun sa mga nare-retail mo, meron kang commission. Pati dun sa mga nare-retail ng mga successfully sponsored mo, pati yung mga na-sponsor nila, meron ka. Si bronze up to level 2, silver up to level 4, gold up to level 6, platinum up to level 8, diamond up to level 10. Pababa ng pababa yung commission, pero palaki yung number niyan. Kaya malaki rin tong retail commission na to. If you're more into selling products, then consider this, right? Pero ngayon, focus more on personal suggestion ko is to focus more on developing your organization. How? By sharing the business to others, by successfully referring others to become affiliate members, just like you. Okay? Pero kung halimbawa, medyo influential ka na, medyo kilala ka na sa YouTube or sa TikTok and you have followers already, kasi meron tinatawag na influencers bonus. All you need to do is influence your follower to buy the products from Livegood. And if let's say in a month, umabot ng $2,500 yung income mo or yung na-retail mo, bukod dun sa 50% na binigay sa'yo, meron ka pang additional 10%, making it 60. At palaki ng palaki yan. Pag 5,000, additional 20. Pag 10, additional 30. Pag 25, additional 40. At pag umabot ng $50,000 yung na-retail mong products in a single month, you get the whole difference. Kasi dadagdagan ng 50%. Yung 50% na originally binigay sa'yo, making it a total of 100%. Okay? Sa'yo na ibibigay yung difference ng retail price tsaka ng members price. Alright? So if you already have followers, try contemplate on doing this. Ang gagawin mo lang, magbibideo ka, nagtitimpla ng kape, tapos sabihin, sarap. Di ba? Tapos sabihin mo doon sa mga followers mo, bumili rin kayo. Ito yung shop ko, you go there, you buy. then definitely, since follower mo sila, may influence ka sa kanila, they would buy. At pag umabot ng ganito kalaki yung sales mo, ganito kalaki yung kita mo. Right? Now, since I encourage you, the reason why I encourage you to do the business is for all of us to become diamond. Kasi yung diamond, para na silang part member ng company because they receive a 2% profit sharing from the total sales from all membership, product sales, lahat ng kinita ng company, merong 2% at i-divide yan sa lahat ng mga diamond. Just to give you an idea, last month, the announced profit sharing was 180,000. Meaning, umabot ng 9 million yung income ng company. 2% of that is 180,000. Pinaghati-hatian po yun ng 26 diamonds. At each of them receives roughly about $6,000 plus. Wala na silang kinalaman nun. Kasi they just became diamond. Pero monthly, meron silang profit sharing. That's 6,000. Sometimes they earn more than that. Sometimes they earn less than that. Pero tuloy-tuloy na yon. And all they did was to become diamond. So bakit hindi ka magda-diamond? Yes, ikaw na nakikinig ngayon. Kung silver ka pa lang, daanan mo na lang yan. Magpa-gold ka na, magpa-platinum ka na, all the way to diamond. Sabay-sabay tayo. Ako din, pagdadaanan ko lahat yan, I will be reaching the diamond para dumating yung point na talagang mag-enjoy na rin ako ditong diamond pool na to. Right? In fact, here in the Philippines, may 4 na tayong excited for this diamond pool. Alright? Meron pa, Crown Diamond. Kasi nung talagang nakita nila, uy, madaming nagda-diamond, they decided to create another level which is Crown Diamond. And Crown Diamond Pool, right now, sa buong planeta, meron na tayong isang Crown Diamond by the name of in the person of Tim Miller. Siya pa lang yung nag-iisang Crown Diamond. And ang commitment ng Live Good is they would give 0.5% of the total sales from membership and product sales divided on all Crown Diamonds. Right now, nag-iisa siya, so sosolohin niya yung 0.5%. Right? Wow. Kaya tayo, wag lang tayo, pag umabot na tayo ng diamond, talagang ambisyonin nating umabot din ng Crown Diamond. So the question, paano ba maging diamond? Paano ba mag-rank up? Simple lang po. By the way, if I say simple, I didn't mean easy. Simple is different from easy. Simple kasi simple lang talaga gagawin. You get 3 and help those 3 to find their 3. Do this weekly, do this monthly, basta tuloy-tuloy mong gawin to. What will happen on your first, let's say weekly, on your first week, you have 3. On the second week, madadagdagan ng 9 yan, total of 12. On the third week, madadagdagan ng 27 yan. Okay, just to show you a chart, when you get 3 and teach them to get 3, ito mangyayari. So 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 729, yan yung mga nadadagdag weekly. On the 7th week, aabot na ng 3,279 people in your matrix. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Diamond ka na. Kasi ang requirement lang to become diamond is 2,500 people, active members in your matrix. Active member in your organization. Eh since nanggaling yan dun sa 3 na kinuha mo, natiruan mo, kumuha rin ng 3. Naturuan yung kinuha nila, kumuha rin ng 3. At tuloy-tuloy nangyari to. On the 7th week, meron ka ng diamond ka na. Now, this is what will happen. Pag tinuloy-tuloy pa yan, tuloy-tuloy mangyayari yan eh. Kasi magiging parang culture na nung organization niya eh. Every person na nasasali sa iyo, parang magiging automatic na, obligation ko, kumuha ng 3. Tapos ang obligation ko, turuan yung 3 kinuha ko, kumuha ng 3. Okay? On the 11th week, umaapaw yung matrix mo. Look at that. 265,717 people in your matrix. Eh, ang requirement lang ng 2 by 15 is 65,000 eh. This is already 265,000. Talagang umaapaw na. Ang kagandahan nito, ang daming makikinabang doon sa spillover na ginagawa ng organization mo. Right? I want you to think of this. Don't consider Live Good as a just or basta-basta lang na negosyo. Do this seriously and be here for a long time. Kasi this is something that will bring you future. This is something that will bring you fortune. And why would you join? Why would you join? Top 4 reason. Number 1, we've just officially launched. December lang tayo nag-start. Right now, we're already at 420,000 people. 420,000 have seen this. 420,000 have believed na ito na. Ito na yung business for them. Bakit ka magpapahuli? Bakit mo pahihintayin dumami? 'Di ba? There are 3 kinds of people. Yung isa, one will just wait and see. Yung isa naman, magugulat na lang. Ano nangyari? Pero yung isa will do the business or will really plunge in and do the business. I want you to be the third one. I want you to believe and do the business. Kasi we are in the perfect timing. Kasi simula pa lang natin. Pioneering stage. Baby pa yung company, tayo ang magpapalaki dyan. Number 2, high quality and very affordable health products. I'm telling you, kahit hindi obligation ng mga affiliate members to buy products, kami mismo bumibili. Kasi maganda talaga yung quality ng product. And the price is incredible. Diba? Isang produkto, yung produkto ng iba, 5 ng Live Good products yung mabibili mo. Ganun siya kababa. And then you have marketing system tools and trainings available. Every Monday is product training from Ryan and Lisa Goodwin. Every Friday, meron tayong training from the CEO mismo and other powerful members who have already made it to the top. They're sharing their experience. They're sharing what they did. All you need to do is plunge in. Plug in. Makinig ka lang. Umattend ka lang. And you will be learning a lot. And this tool, Zoom, available for your disposal every night. Kung hindi tumatama dun sa time, may recording. Pwede mong ipadala dun sa mga prospects mo. All you need to do is attend. All you need to do is be part of it. Be a core member. Yun lang. Kung yun, hindi mo pa magagawa, mahihirapan ka sa business. But if you could actually get in, plug in, and stay in for a long term, then the business would be paying you. Live Good would be paying you generously. Okay? And lastly, simple, powerful, and lucrative pay plan. Nakita nyo naman yung discussion ko about the compensation plan. Meron ditong yayaman, meron ditong kikita lang. Bakit mo gugustuhin kumita lang kung pwede kang yumaman? 'Di ba? At simple lang. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's so simple that anybody can do it. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, Live Good is for everybody. Unfortunately, not everybody is for Live Good. Kasi meron at merong hihindi. Pero don't worry about it. There are so many people out there you can share the business to. Why share it? Kasi hindi mo ikahihiya ang Live Good. Napakataas ng quality, napakababa ng cost. We're starting with 15 products right now, but there is a promise already that products will be coming in. We'll have more than 200 products in the next 2 years. Ganun siya kaganda. It's being developed as we speak. It's being developed. Sometimes next month, meron ng products na bagong products na introduce. Hopefully, lumabas na yung collagen very soon. Right? And ang maganda, we're not sacrificing quality. Kaya nga nakikita niyo yung image, ang taas ng quality, ang baba ng cost. Bakit? Kasi ang pinapattern natin is a membership club whereby everybody gets to enjoy good prices, good quality products at a very low price. And ang maganda nito, nagsisimula lang tayo with these 15 products and we're telling you na parami ng products na yon. We may have started with health products, but time will come. We will be having household products. We will be even having services. Kasi magkakaroon tayo ng para tayong magiging Amazon. Live Good will add more products and services in the near future. Live Good will be the Amazon of network marketing. As Amazon started with books, we're now starting with health products, but later on, as Amazon has developed into platform of all possible items out there, ganun din si Live Good. But we're going to maintain quality. Yun ang pinapromise ni Ben Blinsky. We're not going to sacrifice quality over price, but we're not going to overcharge. Kasi hindi naman natin kukunin yung compensation from our products. Kukunin natin yan from the membership. Okay? At ang pinakamagandang reason why you should join and why you should join now is because we are still at the tip of the iceberg. We're still at the tip of the iceberg. We started December 2022 with only 2,000 members. And our target, right now, we're running at 420,000 members. And it's only June, 6 months. And talagang by December 2023, malalagpasan pa natin yung target na 1 million members na yan. Just think about it, 420. Yung 420,000, magkumuha lang ng tag-isa. Maka-successfully refer lang ng tag-isa. That's an additional 420 na naman. Nasa 840,000 members na tayo. So talagang kayang-kayang malagpasan to. But we're pegging our target at that. And ito yung future. There will be more than 100 million. In fact, there could possibly billions of members in the years to come. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, this is a long-term business. Okay? I'm about to finish now and I want to leave you with this. This is an opportunity. The reason that you are here right now, because the message is for you. The opportunity is for you. It's being offered to you right now. Now, yung pagsagot dun sa opportunity, nasa sayo rin yan. 'Di ba? Kasi ganito yan eh. Two things may happen. One is, hindi mo siya papansinin ngayon. Mababayaan mo lang, kakalimutan mo lang na umattend ka nito. Kasi hindi mo papansinin, hindi ka naniwala eh. The other one is maniniwala ka. Right now. Maniniwala ka na, babalik ka dun sa nag-invite sa'yo, oy, paano ako mag-join? Kasi naniwala ka eh. Ngayon, 6 months from now, dalawa rin yung posibleng sabihin nung some of the 935 participants here, dalawa yung mga pwedeng sabihin yan. Others would say, sayang, sana pala 6 months ago sumali na ako. Yun yung mga hindi naniwala. Pero, marami rin magsasabing, buti na lang, 6 months ago sumali na ako. Ngayon mayaman na ako. The choice is yours. Gusto mo bang manghinayang o gusto mong matawa 6 months from now? I want you to look at your future. Kasi pinakita ko na the possibility that will happen to you in your future when you do Live Good. And all you need to do is share the business. Share it to as many people as you want. As you can. Okay? Dito nga sabi nila may 3 options. One is, I want to become an affiliate member right here, right now. Naniniwala ako. Babalikan ko yung sponsor ko. Magme-member ako. Maglalakin ako. Babayaran ko yung $49.95. That's A. Si B naman, hesitant pa. Sige, magme-member na lang muna ako. Yun yung mga wait and see. Tignan ko muna kung ano mangyayari sa'yo 6 months from now. And si C naman, sige, pagbibigyan na lang kita by getting the products in retail. Okay? If you choose to become B and C, ikaw yung 6 months from now magsasabing, sayang, sana pala naniwala na ako 6 months ago. But if you choose to be A, ikaw yung magsasabi 6 months from now, buti na lang naniwala ako. Ngayon, eto na ako. Ngayon, eto na yung income ko. Ngayon, mayaman na ako. Just to give you an idea, yung mga diamonds natin ngayon, yung mga kasama natin, the diamonds in the house right now, they don't want to disclose their income. Some of them doesn't want to disclose their income. But just to give you an idea, in that period of 5 months, their lives have totally changed because of the income they're receiving from Live Good. Ang maganda nito, lahat sila nag-start as affiliate member, just like you right now. So kung ikaw magiging affiliate member na, or if you are already an affiliate member, you have the very same opportunity to become diamond as they did. Kaya lahat tayo, kayang-kaya natin maging diamond. So wag na natin piliin yung B and C, piliin na natin yung A. Get back to the person who invited you and tell them, I am an A. I am an A. I am an A. Okay? So, thank you very much for staying this long and for finishing this presentation. Get back to the person who invited you, get their links, sign in, reserve your position, and immediately lock in. Become an affiliate member and start building your future. This is Mon Reyes saying thank you. I hope you found value in this, and I'll see you at the top.
Hello, good morning. So gagawa na po tayo ng short video kung paano po mag-join po dito kay LiveGood. So para maka-join po kayo kay LiveGood, i-click nyo lang po yung link na associated po sa video na to or yung ipa-flash ko dito sa screen. And then pag nag-register po kayo, dito po kayo mapupunta. So, pag na-register nyo po yun, ito po yung lalabas sa inyo na website. Ilagay nyo lang po yung inyong first name, last name, and email, and then click Reserve My Position. And then that's the time na pwede na po kayo mag-activate ng inyong account pag kayo po ay ready na. So, ang gagawin nyo lang po ay punta lang po kayo dito sa securemyposition.com. I-enter nyo po yung email na inyo pong iniregister and then click View My Team. Ngayon, pag na-click nyo po yung View My Team, pwede nyo pong i-click itong Join Now o kaya po ito yung Lock in Your Position. So, pag na-click nyo po yung Lock in Your Position, ipiprovide po niya yung inyong email, and then phone number, and then username. Mag-create po kayo ng username and then password. Make sure po na secured ang inyong password, and then option 1 or option 2 ang payment. And then, ilagay nyo lang po yung inyong mga details po sa taas. And then, pay using credit card or crypto. And then, yung inyong pong credit card details. And, sundan nyo lang po, i-continue nyo lang po at doon po ay mag-activate na po ang inyong account in a matter of 2 to 3 minutes. After po ninyo na makapag-activate ng inyong account, pwede po kayong pumunta dito sa aking blog, yung pong bit.ly viral business. And then, pwede po kayong mag-aral dito po sa mga vlog na ginawa ko. Like ito po, kung kayo po ay gusto nyo ng English presentation, meron din po akong English YouTube channel. Meron tayong Live Good Filipino vlog presentation. Pwede po kayong mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube at pwede nyo po akong i-contact. Okay? So, pag kayo po ay sumali sa aking team, mag-guide ko po kayo dahil marami po akong tutorials na ginagawa. Okay? So, join po kayo sa link and sign up for free. I-position nyo lang po yung account po ninyo and then activate your account and aralin nyo po itong business po na ito. So, yun lang po. Salamat!
May mapakita ako sa inyo. There is someone earning like this. Tignan nyo lang yung monthly. September, October, yung may kulay green. This one, this one. This one. 51, 54, 55, 61. So, shortcutting ko lang. Total of 13
Yung someone po
million
ba kayo yun?
pesos 4 months.
Yung someone po ba kayo yun?
Kaya bumili ng resort? Kaya magpatayo ng resort? Yes! Kaya bumili ng Lamborghini? Yes! Kaya bumili ng sasakyan na maganda? Yes! Kaya magpatayo ng dream house?
Yes!
Kaya. Question. How many 4-month periods are there in a year?
Basta ganun yan. Okay? So, hindi ka lang limitado sa direct mo, kundi sa entire team niya. Kaya, ang laki talaga. Kaya, I highly suggest, don't be a waiter, waitresses. Let's work out. Okay? Kasi malaki yung kikitain mo pagka talagang trabaho mo. Okay? Kaysa maging abangers lang. Okay ba? Ayan. So, ito po yung sample ng ano po, ng matrix and matching. So, ito po siya. I don't know kanino to. So, ito po yung ano niya. Nung May, ito po yung matrix niya. $14, $17 yung matching. So, konti pa lang, no? Yan, mga around 1,750. Di ba? Yung kinita niya. So, ngayon, nung following month, ayan po, grabe. Nag-times 10. Di ba? Yung matrix yan, ng 117.25. Yung matching, 190. That is 17,000 times 10 po yung kinita niya. And nung July, ayan po, Yung kinita niya na naman ng Matrix 307.50 and 700 sa matching. Magkano po yan? 1,007.89 or that is 56,000 monthly income. Ano nakapansin nyo? Palaki ng palaki. Dito sa Live Good, pagka sinimulan mo, lalo na pag tinatrabaho mo, hindi na po bababa income mo, I'll tell you. Hindi na bababa, palaki ng palaki. Pero itong income na to, katiting pa lang po yan. Kasi may mas malaki pa po dyan. Ito po. O yan. Okay? Ito po, ito from international naman to na leader. Ayan. So, grabe. Naman yung, ayan, February, oh. February pa to. Kinita niya is 396,000 plus pesos. Okay, convert na natin. Oh, noong March, oh, grabe. Dumoble. 847,000 plus matrix and matching combined. Okay? Oh, noong April, 1.4 million. Grabe. Nakakalula, guys. Hindi pa dyan kasama yung June, July. Yung August pa, September pa matatanggap. Alam niyo guys, one thing's for sure dito. Pag sinimulan mo, trust me, hindi na bababa income mo. Kaya panalo ka talaga dito. Lahat ng puyat, pagod, sakripisyo mo, bayad. Sobra-sobra pa. And this is our future. Ito po yung naghihintay sa atin lahat. Lalo na sa mga sasabay at nakasabay na. Okay, ayos ba? Grabe, no? So, nakaka-goosebumps. Grabe, so 7 figures. Antende. Okay?